Even the most neophyte devotee who's trying to approach the most attractive, charming, sweet, and darling Krishna, he feels some pangs of separation. Oh, I have to leave Krishna's land of Vrindavan. I feel pain in my chest. Why you feel pain in your chest? Because that's where your heart is. You don't have a bellyache, you don't have a backache. Sometimes you do. Oh, I don't want to leave. Then that pain in the chest goes to the throat, and the throat quivers and gets tight, and then you can't speak properly, and then you choke up, and then the pain rises to your throat, and then it goes to your eyes, and then you cry, oh Krishna, I don't want to go. So we have the experience, the Western unfortunate people, devotees, we have the experience of, we know, oh, I'm here, I'm having union with Krishna. Living in the Dham means union with Krishna. But I know that right around the corner there'll be separation. My time is up. The visa's out. So the gopis are in the same way. They have a visa with Krishna. You have 4 hours of Krishna. You have 5 hours of Krishna, and your visa's up. Oh. So that's why the yin and yang of the Chinese philosophy, the unified circle divided into two halves of movement and the polarity and duality of the black and the white and the man and the woman. So that in the rasa mandala, it's a mandala like the circle of the yin yang sign. It's the mandala, the symbol of life is a circle. And the symbol of infinity is 2 circles. That's why they say the number 8 is a mystic number, because it represents infinity. If you get inside the circle, there's no exit. Any other number you're in, you can get out. 7, 4, 3, 1, 2. Woo. But in the circle, you go. There's no exit ramp. There's no exit ramp. You just go round, round. Everywhere in the Chinese philosophy, in the Tao, and the Buddhism, and everywhere, they talk about the mandala, the mandala, the mandala. It's everywhere. And Tai Chi, and this is the mandala. Because the mandala represents samsara. We say chakra, we say mandala, we say birth and death, the cycle of birth and death. So we're so absorbed in the cycle of birth and death, the first thing we thought about is to make a cycle. Because we're absorbed in the cycle, so we make a wheel. Because we're in the wheel, so it's easy to make one. And then everything is expanded from that. So the gopis are circulating with Krishna, but that circle is going to bust out. And Jatila is coming. The moon has set, the sun is rising. Oh, curses on the roosters, go to hell. Go coo in hell. Oh, Radharani, they're quiet. They must have heard your command. Oh, good. Now union again. So there's ever-present threat of separation, of missing one. So this is the mysterious, Vishnu says, these are the mysterious working of prema. Even when love is imperfect, it reveals Krishna's glories, and what to speak if it's completely perfect. Thus, the magnitude of the gopis' experience of Krishna's greatness is a measure of the greatness of their love. So love means intimacy and trust and faith and association throughout every aspect of one's being. This is love. One loves with the body, one loves with the mind, one loves with everything, as we said. Man, tan, pran. Everything is involved in the loving exchange between the lover and the beloved. So therefore, that's the pranaya, there's no separation. So the gopis, to know me means to love me. So who will know a person more than a person who loves that person more? Like, oh, I know Mr. Smith. And you tell the wife, I know your husband. Acha, you know my husband. I think I know better. How you think you know? You met him 2 years ago. I've been married for 25 years. I think I know my husband. Like a book. So in the same way, because of the intimacy, because of the proximity and the absolute surrender of the lover for the beloved, because if Krishna can trust us, and if Krishna he feels that we love him and want him more than anything else or anyone else, then he'll open up. He'll tell you the combination of his wall safe. He'll tell the combination of when the wall there's a safe. He'll tell you the combination of the lock. And you say, you can open this up. You can take anything you want. I trust you. I love you. So this is what the gopis are representing. They're representing the highest principle and attitude and expression of pure, selfless love. Something inspiring, certainly, and attractive. But we are far from that